So this piece comes out of the bottom. How was it oriented? Like that. That comes out of the bottom there. There's an O-ring right here. Take that off. And there's another shim here. And then there's these two pieces like this. There's a brass thrust spacer thing and then a steel piece. And then there's these two half circle clip things. That's what holds this whole thing together. So what you do is you hit this steel piece towards the top just enough to get those two pins out. I just used a dental pick to get those out. And then you can shimmy this thing out. It's a super tight fit, but that steel thing will come out. That brass piece comes out after. And then your shaft is free from the gear and the clutch. The clutch is on a spline. It's marked top. So the one that's on the bottom is your forward clutch basket, and the one that's on the top is your reverse clutch basket. So apparently people have been doing this.